Today I'm going to teach you how to add a reset button to a PDF form using Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is incredibly useful when you're creating forms and want to give users an easy way to clear all their entries and start fresh with a single click. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your recent files and select the PDF form you want to work with. This should open your document and display it in the main workspace, ready for editing. Now look over to the left panel where you'll find various tools and options. Navigate to All Tools and click on View More. This expands the full range of editing features available in Adobe Acrobat Pro, giving you access to more specialized tools beyond the basic ones. From the expanded Tools menu, look for Prepare a Form and click on it. This tool is specifically designed for creating and editing interactive PDF forms. After clicking it, you'll need to select Create Form to enter the form editing mode where you can add interactive elements like buttons and text fields. Once you're in the form editing interface, look at the left panel again and click on Button. This is where you'll create the Reset button that users will click to clear their form entries. After selecting the Button tool, place it wherever you want on your form. Think about positioning it somewhere logical and accessible, like the bottom of the form or near other action buttons. With the button placed, click on the Select Text icon in the left toolbar, then click on the button you just created and resize it to fit your form's design. Making sure the button is appropriately sized ensures it's easy to click and visually clear to users. Next, right-click on the button and select Properties from the menu that appears. This opens a dialog box where you can customize how your button looks and functions. Click on Options in the top toolbar of this dialog box. Navigate to the label field and type Reset or whatever text you want to display on your button. This label tells users what the button does, so choose something clear and descriptive. Now click on Actions in the top toolbar. This is where you'll define what happens when someone clicks your button. Navigate to select Action, then click the drop-down menu beside it and select Reset a Form. This tells Adobe Acrobat that clicking this button should clear form data. Click Add to confirm this action. At this point, Adobe Acrobat will ask you to specify which fields you want to reset. If you want the button to clear all fields in the form, select All Fields. If you only want certain fields to reset, uncheck the box beside the fields you want to keep unchanged. This gives you flexibility in how the reset function works. Once you've made your selections, click OK. Now your reset button is configured and ready to use. Before finalizing everything, click the Preview button in the bottom left to test whether the Reset button works as intended. You can type some sample text in the form fields, then click the Reset button to see if it clears everything properly. Once you've confirmed it's working correctly, click Exit Preview in the upper right. Finally, click the Save button in the upper right to save all your changes to the PDF form. And that's it. You've successfully added a functional Reset button to your PDF form, giving users a convenient way to clear their entries whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.